Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. In today's video, we're exposing a common home improvement trick that can leave you out of pocket, the Excessive Upfront Payments Scam. Let's break it down so you know what to watch out for. Here's how the scam works. A contractor offers you a great deal for repairs or renovations, but insists on a large deposit or full payment upfront before starting any work. They might say it's to cover materials or to lock in a special price, but once they get your money, they either disappear, do substandard work, or drag out the project for months without finishing it. A real-life case involved a homeowner in Chicago who hired a contractor for kitchen renovations. The contractor asked for 50% of the payment up front to buy materials. After receiving the payment, they only worked for a couple of days and then vanished. The homeowner had to hire a new contractor to finish the job, which cost them nearly double the original estimate. Large upfront payments can be a major red flag. Legitimate contractors usually require a smaller deposit, typically 10 to 20%, and bill the rest after specific project milestones are completed. To avoid this scam, never agree to pay the full amount before any work is done. Make sure to get a detailed contract with payment schedules and milestones, and only hire contractors with good reviews and a verifiable track record. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay informed, stay safe, and never pay more than you should before seeing results. See you in the next video.